Kyrie Nike ADs at 9.5. I don't know what the hood is. One of the reactions. But yeah, license, look. License, these are licensed messed up pair of Nike IDs. Apparently it is Nike ID Day today. Some more Nike IDs made by Tejas. What's going on, YouTube viewers? It is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We're here for another Nike outlet video. We're actually at the Santa Clarita outlet out in Santa Clarita, I guess. I don't know why I'm explaining where the Santa Clarita outlet is. Whatever. So yeah, this is the clearance center. This is where you just come here and you find all kinds of stuff to resell, to be really honest. That's why the resellers love this place. There's always stacks and stacks of shoes that people have that they're about to buy. So yeah, so let's see what we can find, you guys. So it's currently like 7:45 or something. Like it's a Thursday. I did call ahead. They did tell me that they had 20% off all shoe wear. So yeah, so that's kind of why I thought I'd come out here. Yeah, I do got a little return. You know, I do have a pair of shoes that didn't really sell. It's been like 33 days since I bought it, so we'll see if they take it back. Sorry about that. Okay. No, thank you so much. No problem. The gift card, I returned it a little over 30 days, like 34 or 35 days later. But yeah, they did. They gave me a gift card. Pretty cool, you guys. Okay, soon as I get here, they're doing a restock, so let's go check. That's one of the resellers. I haven't seen these two folks here. Yeah, so let me see what they got. Oh, Curries. All black Curries. They got some Nike IDs, you guys. $80. There's some Kyrie Nike IDs at 9.5. I don't know what the hood is. One of the reacts. Dang, got some Hyperdux. Look at that. $40. Dang. Alright, those resellers are posted up here, so they've been poaching everything. They've definitely been poaching everything. But yeah, look. Some more Nike IDs. Holy crap. What are these? $80. Some fly traps? Oh, so the Kyrie fly traps, I guess? Lows? Are these Lows? What are these? What is this? Look. Actually look pretty cool. 11, what is that? Yeah, I've never seen so many Nike IDs here in my life. Yeah. It's by Hall. Still selling these gloves for $200, you guys. Crazy, man. Shoe Palace been selling those for $100. They still selling them for that much. That's crazy. On the size 11s, look, I saw these last week and I was dumb enough not to get it. So yeah, we're gonna fix that this time. Oh, look at that! I have not seen these here at all. I haven't seen these in a long time. Seen these out in a while. The Jordan 11 Platinum. I haven't seen these in a long time. Look what he just brought, the restock. Yeah, these will go for what, $32? The Hyperdux? Is it the 2017 Hyperdux? For $30-something? Oh, we got to look at this, you guys. We got to look at this. Dang, I wish they had one 10 or 10.5, but nope. Alright, as you guys know, we do have to check the slides. Always got to check the slides, and yeah, all they got are the Jordan 7 specs and the Jordan 7s, and that's about it. And this one, but the box is so busted up. There's an emerald, but the box is so busted up. These do sell, man. Just Alright, so yeah, these are only 20% off today, so I don't think that's gonna be much of a profit. At 30% off there is, but yeah. And with the busted box too, so I'm gonna leave those. Alright, we're checking out the jersey section. Look at this. Look at this, you guys. Let me put my stuff down. Hold up. Alright, look at this, you guys. Look at this. This is from this season. That's crazy. XL. Got like 4 of them. Look at that, you guys. $40. Another 30% off, so you're getting it for What, $28? I'm doing the math in my head. My bad. Yeah, $28. That's crazy. Unfortunately, they're not going for too much. Look what I saw a couple minutes ago. I was like, what? An Aaron Rodgers jersey? Aaron Rodgers jersey? Only, and look, it's the Stitch one, you guys. I don't know the different levels, but it's pretty much an authentic, but it's triple XL. And it, oh wait, is it going for 150 though? What the heck? Maybe it's going for 150. That's kind of steep, you guys. Too steep. So I've never seen so many jerseys here. We got Sam Darnold jersey. That's just like the cheaper one, not necessarily the authentic one. Going for $28, the medium too. Damn, not bad. We're gonna start over. We are in the 9.5. It's rare when we see something that I've never seen before. Look at this. Nike React City. Look at that. That's interesting. Got little symbols on them. Oh, that's interesting. Definitely not worth paying no $160, even with the 20% off. Damn, look at this. Got some joyrides. One of the new colorways. Never even seen this colorway. Dang, I guess someone didn't like it. Someone wasn't a fan. I am curious about how they feel though. Let me try it on. It feels so weird. So weird. Not super soft though. Can't really feel super soft. They just feel weird. Yeah, that's a definite no. I've seen a few of these here. Air Force One Mid Premium, $80. That extra 20% off. Not bad. These. They actually got some SBs in the 9.5. They rarely ever have SBs here. Yeah, I've gotten some Dunks, Nike Dunks here, which are freaking awesome. But yeah, these. Want to see the Janowskis? SB Portmore 2. Never heard of them. We're checking at the 9s now. Look at that, $70 for some React. That is crazy. 20% off on top of that. That's crazy. Man, I keep seeing these everywhere. The Vomero 14s, man. Keep hyping these up. He's got the React with the Zoom Air inside. Man, those are super comfortable. Well, that's a nice little budget option right there. $35. 20% off on top of that. It's like $30, less than $30, $27 something. Yeah, $27.50, not bad. Okay, we've been seeing a lot of Vapor Maxes, maybe. 110, get that little 20% off on top of that, so like what, 90 something? What, not 80 something? $88 or something? Not bad, $88. Not bad. Look at this deal. MSRP 100 down to 60, the 20% off top of that, it's like $48. Man, the Be-True Tailwinds? Man, that's a deal. I guess these are considered premium shoes because they're kind of new. Air Max 200s. Oh, I'm definitely not digging those. I'm not a fan of those at all. But yeah, not bad. Hey, that's your style, man. 20% off. 20% off. And that is sick. Look at this. $180 normally, $105. Get an additional 20% off. It's like what, $120? Oh, my bad. No, it's like $80, $82, $83. With these tailwinds, all black tailwinds. Look at that. Look at that, those are sick. I like the little air pockets. That's sick. See, these look worn now. These look brand new. So tired of people wearing shoes and then bring it back to the Nike outlet. Y'all need to stop doing that. If you guys are doing that, please stop. I'm tired of that shit. Okay, look at this. Got the Nike Air Max 95s. These are some of the special ones because look, they got the little windmill. I forgot what these are called. But it came with the series with the windmills on it, with the Nike logo making a windmill. Kind of cool. Kind of reflective too. 80 bucks. 80 bucks. Normally what, 160? 170. Yeah. If these bad boys going for 80 bucks. Normally 180. It's like a weird peach camo. Just in case you need a hide for in a peach farm or something. With some leaves and shit or something. I don't know. I have no clue. Okay, got some Jordans. Jordan 1s going for retail. Going for retail. 100, but you get that 20% off. Okay. Not bad. Someone forgot to change the prices. Look at that. 105 and 125. Same shoe, same shoe. I guess it's 35 turbo, but see, the problem is every time, first of all, these are comfortable as hell. One of the best running shoes, one of the best comfortable shoes. But look at that, like whenever they return, like even if you try them one time, like it's super creased. Super creased just after wearing them one time. Yeah, and mine are like that too. I'm wearing the Pegasus. These are creased as hell too. They just naturally get creases. So yeah, just be forewarned. Super comfortable, but I hope you don't mind the creases. On the 8.5 now. I've never seen this colorway. Interesting colorway. Bright as hell, man, but it's kind of cool. So this is all buck. That's all buck, and then some synthetic material in the middle. Not bad. And that one is going for 170, going for retail, 20% off. Apparently it is Nike ID Day today. Some more Nike IDs made by Tejas. 60 bucks, going for 60 bucks. What are these? Are these Metcons? Yeah, there's some Metcons. I don't know why they take these back, you guys. I have no clue why they take them back. At least this one doesn't have that fool's name all over it. I've seen these at Kohl's a while back. Man, I'm surprised they got these here. 85. Kind of like one of their budget shoes, but it's like a budget shocks. It's like a budget shocks. Oh, they've had these for months here. Or at least a month. But yeah, look. Licensed. These are licensed messed up pair of Nike IDs. 20% off. License if you want to get your shoes back. 7.5, 8. I think they're all kind of mixed together with the 8s. 70 bucks. This is 35. That's legit. 20% off on top of that. Really good deal. Hey, 70 bucks for Odyssey, actually, guys. I'm not thinking that colorway though. Not a fan of that colorway. I think this is 36s. Going for retail. Get that 20% off. But I'd much rather get those 35s back there. Pretty much the same shoe. Oh, this is the Beach Root colorway. And the 720s going for retail. Yes, look at this. Vapor Max Flyknit Mock. Whoa, I've never seen these. These are crazy. Look at this. But look, you can't see through them. You can't see the air units. That's the coolest thing about the Vapor Max. You can see the air units. You can't see nothing. That's strange. $225 though, you get that 20% off. You want to spend what, $1.80 or something? Yeah. How are they asking retail for these Proto Max 720s? Have these been selling? Really, these have been sitting, haven't they? Oh yeah, I guess you get that 20%, I guess. I see that photo right here, like $65. $65. Kind of look like the Jordan 29s or something, without that diamond stuff in the back. I don't know the latest Jordans. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know the latest Jordans because They're not that interesting.